Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Malachi.Creates. It's my day off today, so I'm pretty excited because I have a empty canvas and I'm going to be working on another type of nebula themed piece that I normally do, but I'm going to make it like a white background with some pastel light colors. I haven't done that yet. I normally do like dark blacks and metallics. So it's my day off, I'm going to have some fun, so if you like this sort of stuff, stick around and I'm going to get painting. Okay, so it's officially the next day. It's dried out a little bit, and I added that little 5x5 on top because I was working on a project that I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm kind of using I think it's a mineral, urea, to make crystals, which is called like mutant crystals. So I'm working on a project for that. But I added it on top because I think it looks pretty cool. That's what the finished product looks like. And I don't know if you can see, there's like little crystals. I'll maybe get a nice close-up while I'm talking of the crystals. And that is basically the birth of AI in our solar system, or in our universe basically. The birth of AI in our universe. You know, in every single sci-fi movie, it's always like this metallic crystal, sort of metal life forms that are out there, and it's an invasive sort of feeling, as you can see. I don't know if you can see those crystals there, but that's where I went with this project and this canvas piece. So it's got a lot of color. It wasn't pastel, didn't turn out the pastel color that I was going for originally, because I got a lot more blacks in there, but I like it. And it's a multiverse, so it's the birth of something new in our universe, which we created. How cool? Check it out. I love these colors, these like pearlescent colors inside here. Down here too. And because I sprayed the water, and I was using the water to spray and lighten some of the paint down, it's almost like watercolor paint. And then you have like thick patches of the thicker paint that's still curing actually. So it was a cool little project for my day off. Not a bad way to spend the day when you're not at work, and just to make a nice little video for you guys and keep the content coming. And if you're into this sort of stuff, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be making more videos just like this. I make cool things, canvases, art, DIY, whatever projects I feel like making on my days off. And yeah, catch you on the next one. This is cool. What do you think? Most people probably won't like it, but I like it. I think it's cool. The introduction of AI into our universe. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.